Welcome to Naga's Odalicious. In today's video, we're going to see the preparation of paneer momos. So this video is an ode to the traditional paneer prepared using milk. Health benefits of paneer. It delays the signs of aging, it strengthens bones and teeth since it's rich in calcium, it improves digestion and aids weight loss, it may improve vision, makes your skin glow, beneficial for pregnant women. Paneer contains a type of fatty acid called as conjugated linoleic acid, which enhances the fat burning process and helps in weight loss. Vegetarian diet must contain paneer as it helps to release energy gradually in the body without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Ingredients required: paneer 200 grams, carrot 1 cup grated, chili powder 2 teaspoons, dry mango powder 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, coriander leaves half a cup, wheat flour 1 cup, oil 25 ml approximately. So pre-preparatory step, you have to prepare the covering dough required for the momos. So take 1 cup of the wheat flour, add 1/3 cup of water with salt dissolved in it, add approximately of about 2 teaspoons of oil, mix it gently to blend all the ingredients, and then finally knead it into a covering dough. So you can add 2 teaspoons of water approximately to blend them together after this process. So once it is set, cover it and leave it aside. Now take a frying pan, add approximately 4 tablespoons of oil, add the grated carrot, to that add chili powder, the amchur powder, that is the dry mango powder, and blend it with the oil. And then once they are blend, add the grated paneer and mix the ingredients. So ensure that they are all uniformly mixed. So once it is done, add salt dissolved in water to the ingredients and now give a gentle stir. So once they are all properly cooked, now you can add coriander leaves and now mix it gently. Yes, so now the stuffing for the paneer momos are ready. Since it has the amchur dry mango powder, it gives a tangy flavor to the stuffing. And now let us look into the covering dough. So it is set finally. Now this has to be made into small balls. So now take it and make it into a flat covering dough. So we use a rolling pin for that, just like that of chapatis, we have to roll it. And once this is done, take a small vessel which has a sharp edge like this, round one, and press it gently on the flat kneaded dough. So you press it in such a way that you get the nice circles of the flat covering dough. Yes, it is done. Now we can take away the excess dough that is there on the sides. And now the covering dough is ready for the momos. Now arrange all the covering doughs in a particular fashion, whichever is convenient for you, and now fill them with the stuffing, that is the paneer stuffing. And now little by little fold the covering dough in such a way that the peripheral parts come close to each other. So you can see that little by little, using the fingers, you have to bring the peripheries closer to each other. So small foldings are introduced in such a fashion that finally we get this kind of a shape. It looks like a flower, beautiful. And now you have to bring them still closer, that they are all set together. Yes. And now the momos are ready to be steam cooked. So in a similar fashion, by folding little by little, slowly, by introducing small folds, bring the peripheries of the covering dough closer to each other. So once the peripheral regions come closer to each other, we have to ensure that they are set together in such a fashion that we cover the paneer stuffing. Yes. So once you bring the peripheral regions closer to each other, it is set. Yes, now the paneer momos are ready to be cooked. So take a steaming pan, arrange the momos, and once they are arranged in the steaming pan, check for the water if it is boiling. Once the water sets to boil, you can place the steaming pan on the pan containing boiling water and close the lid. And since this is the chapati dough, it takes around 15 minutes for the momos to get steam cooked. Yes, finally after 15 minutes the momos to be served. So you just touch the sides of the momos and check if they are not sticking to the hand. And finally, this is how our paneer momos look. The healthy, delicious paneer momos are ready to be served. So you can serve them with either red chutney or tomato sauce. If you liked the video, please comment, share, subscribe. And thanks for watching. Until then, bye from Nagas Oh Delicious.